ngayon, hindi pwede na forever mo siyang gawin na same. Hindi pwede na what works before the pandemic would work now. Okay? You need to assess. Tingnan mo, may results ba yung ginagawa ko? Everyday ako nagre-review. May result ba? May sales ba ako? May new recruit ba ako? Nag-i-improve ba ako as a person? Everyday ako naghahanap ng mademohan. Bakit parang walang nagre-reply? No? And then you have to tweak. Kailangan kong baguhin kasi meron yatang kulang eh. And then try again. Try again is very important kasi nga non-stop work yung kailangan na. Okay? Now, let me tell you, smooth po ba yung mga ginagawa ko? Like, lahat ba ng ginagawa ko successful? Sige nga, first muna na, ayan, may obstacle, turn into opportunity. May mga obstacles din po. Some of my members would commit to skincare classes, but sabihin, ay, may work ako, or on the spot mag-cancel. Diba? So, heartbreaking siya in my part. That's why, mas dinamihan ko yung 2 members ko doing events para may pwedeng pumalit. Diba? Or, kung hindi sila pwedeng ako, minsan nasasama ko pa yung husband ko. Diba? So, yun. It's reality kasi dito sa America, hindi naman natin employed, no? Yung ating mga members. Diba? So, they come with their own free will. So, thank you so much po sa mga lagi ko nakakasama. Even sales directors, ipapasok mo sa kanila mga offspring ko yung event pag hindi ako available. So, you know who you are. Thank you so much po sama sa akin sa mga events. Now, ano pa ba yung mga obstacles ko and how I turned it into opportunity? Next po. Yan. I had to learn eye master class. Alam niyo yung thinking ko before, ay, director naman ako, bakit ang aralin ko yung mga pag-makeup na yan? Tuturo ko na lang yan. Pero mas paniwala ka pala if you do it. So, nag-enroll kami ni Ma'am Marita sa Brenica sa eye master class. So, we have to pay parang 5,000 Ma'am Tess, no? Para may idea na kami. And since yung mga dinemohan namin before ng skincare class, pag nag-email kami ulit this year na skincare class pa rin, parang hindi na sila interested kaya alam na namin ano mangyayari. So what I do, nag-offer naman kami ngayon na focus naman sa eyes. Ayan. Kaya shout out po, sana magkaroon ulit ng mga eyeshadow para mas namin to materialize. And so far, nagkaroon ako ng 2 na companies na nagpa-eye masterclass because of the new offering. So sinasabi ko, tweak, di ba? Assess, try again. Okay? Next po, ano po yung ginawa ko? Naging instant hair and makeup artist ako kasi pag nagbo-boot kami, wala masyadong lumalapit. Sabi ko, magdala nga tayo ng pangkulot. Sabihin namin nga, Friday night yung event para pag gumana ka, bongga ka na. So dahil nagpakulot din sila, sobrang ganda nila, di ba, aside sa makeup. So meron kasi akong member na magaling mag-curl. So siya yung naka-assign doon. So shout out Ma'am Yeng. Ayan. So siya yung naka-assign doon. So yung mga nademohan namin ng facial, parang sobrang ganda na nila. Ano sila, tawag dito? Parang whole package na. Ayan, complete package na. So yun, mas napapabili sila, di ba? Because of that. So, one time na-try ko din na mag-makeup kami no, sa isang event. And then, nasabi ko, oh my God, 2 hours ako nag-makeup. Tapos yung bayad sa akin, 1,000 lang. Sabi ko, mas gusto ko Mary Kay. kasi 5 minutes, 10 minutes, tapos ka na, di ba? Pwede ka na kumita. Yun. So, yun. So, 1,000 muna kasi hindi pa kami professional na tawag dito, nag-aral sa mga professional makeup artists. So, next. Ayan. HR as sample video. Meron namang one time, HR, interested daw siya sa proposal ko. Ma'am, may sample video ka ba? So, nag-send ako ng sample talk ko. After nun, wala nang reply. So alam mo na, di ba, na hindi siya interested or hindi siya nagandahan sa video ko. So, that made me realize na kailangan ko ding gandahan yung video ko and the way I deliver. So yun, the more you talk or try it, ayan, mas nagagamay mo siya. Okay? Next. Ngayon naman, ito, nung travel namin nung August, muntik ko na siyang i-give up kasi yung visa schedule for my husband going to the US is September. Tapos August kami alis. Paano yun? Diba? Pero dahil nga palagi ko siyang iniisip, pinag-pray ko, may nag-open na July 27 na visa schedule. August 1 yung travel namin, only 4 days to go. Tumating yung visa a day before our flight. Diba? So, ibig sabihin pala, if you really want something bad enough, no? Magiging ano siya, yung universe, tutulungan talaga to achieve it. Okay? So, those things, no, kaya pala nating i-control. Kung gugustuhin natin, we have the enthusiasm, we have the 3 steps. Okay? And then next po, may advice din po ako sa inyo, di ba? For you to achieve it, na tuloy-tuloy talaga, hindi yung ang target tayo hanggang December lang sa for the personal sales or sharing. Pagdating ng PhilSem 2024, no, hindi natin siya natapos. Kasi may mga ganun eh. Ako din, nung nagsimula ako, ganun din. At first, on target, tapos ba't palit ng paliit? Diba? Because yung mindset ko po noon, ay, formality lang naman yung goal poster. Ay, okay lang, try again, marami pa namang panahon. So, ang advice ko po, don't get used to breaking your goals. Huwag kang masanay na kung ano yung ginol mo, hindi mo siya matutupad. Really stick to it. As long as may time pa, you could still tweak. Try again. Tingnan kung anong gagawin mo, anong improve mo, seek help, learn, para po ma-achieve mo siya. Okay? So, that's very, tawag dito, yung mga sinasabi ko, sabihin nyo na, parang kaya ko siyang gawin, Miss April, pero mindset po talaga lahat nagsisimula. Okay? Pag sinabi mo ngayon pa lang na hindi ko kaya maging sports achiever next year, hindi mo talaga siya ma-achieve. Okay? So, comment kayo dyan sa chat box. Mindset is everything para po magawa natin to and tayo talaga lahat mag-achieve next year. So, again, to sum it all up, you need to learn, unlearn, yung mga hindi na nag-work. Kalimutan mo na yon. Diba? Before the pandemic, wala pa yung mga e-pass this time. Okay, apply mo na. Relearn. Diba? So, all of these things, you can do it kasi very supportive yung company natin and for sure yung mga sales director yung supportive din sa inyo. Okay, next. And with that, no, read with me my favorite quote from Mary Kay. You can have anything in this world that you want if you want it badly enough. And you are willing to pay the price. And be willing to pay the price, diba? Kahit mapagod tayo, it's okay. Sabi nga, kung napagod ka, nag-achieve ka naman, ayan, kumita ka naman, worth it kaysa mapagod tayo staying at home. Okay, so that would be all. I will see you tomorrow sa ating seminar awards. And thank you so much. I hope you learned a thing or two from me. And thank you, Mary Kay Philippines, for this opportunity. Bye!
Thank you so much to our Independent Executive Senior Sales Director, Ms. April Love Rivera. Ayan, no, busog na busog tayo sa learnings. And to all our participants, let us give our appreciation to our mentor by giving her lots of love sa ating comment box and appreciation message. And because of that, Ms. April, we are very proud to give this certificate of appreciation for sharing your valuable knowledge and outstanding practices as mentor during the Mary Kay Philippines Seminar Education Session on 22nd of September, year 2023. And of course, this lovely girl as a token of appreciation. So, now a few key takeaways. Actually, ang dami kong key takeaway. I hope kayo din nagsulat kayo sa inyong notebook. Yes, I believe mindset is important, no? Kasi it is an important factor to reach our success. And take note, it influences how we think, how we feel, and how we behave in any given situation. So tayo ba yung may nangyari lang ng konti, ay ayaw ko na, hindi na ako para kay Mary Kay. Tayo ba yun? If we believe we can, then success come forward. But if we believe we cannot, then failure comes after. Ayan. So, participants, no, to all our dear Salesforce members, no, it's about mindset, no. The power of manifestation ay nakadikta yan sa inyo kung kayo ay very willing. So, if you have dreams and you want to achieve this dream, if you want to be successful in your business, it comes first in our mindset. Agree ba? Ayan. So before we proceed sa ating next part of the program, gusto naman po naming malaman ang mga key takeaways natin starting from our first mentor up to our fourth mentor. So please type in sa ating comment field lahat po ng natutunan nyo, lahat ng naisulat nyo sa inyong mga notes dyan, no? Lahat po ng tumatak sa inyo. And make sure, do not just leave the learnings in the core corners of kung nasaan man kayo ngayon. Apply it, no? Apply it. Okay? Alright. Ayan. So, alam ko, nagtatype pa ang everything. No? Everyone. So, busog, liglig, umaapaw ang learnings coming from our Go Give mentors. Again, mentors, thank you so much for the lively, with conviction, and emphasis sharing of your best practices. Ayan. So, let's give them a heartfelt thank you message sa ating Zoom comment box. Ayan. Now,